So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete an account here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, go to the bottom right and press on the menu icon. Once you're here, simply just scroll down to where it says subscriptions, refer a friend. You don't want any of that actually. Just go to the top right and press on the gear icon or the settings icon. Once you're on the setting page at the bottom where it says delete account in red, if you were to go ahead and press on that, you can confirm the deletion of your account. You have to go ahead and read this, and then once that is done, press on yes, delete my account. I won't do this for this demonstration, so you'll simply go ahead and press on cancel right here. But if you're looking to delete your account for whatever reason, that is how you guys can do it. Go to settings, press delete account, and then confirm the deletion. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to delete an account on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.